and welcome back to another video. So this video is a little bit different. I'm going to be painting a kit that I was kindly gifted from Love and Salvage. So they do reclaimed leather kits which you paint up and then you stitch and put together yourself, and yeah, I'm really excited for the process. I'm going to add some photos on screen of what they have on their Instagram page, and then I'm going to reveal what's inside the box. So this is inside the box, and it has a how-to card just with all the details on, and then here are all the leather components. I think that's the right word, but these are the parts I'll be painting and then sewing together. So this was just me unboxing all of that and making sure I'd got everything out of the box. These are some of the components I'll be using to put everything together later. This is the paint, so this is Angelus leather paint. It also includes brushes. I found a few more little leather flaps that go on the side of the bag. And then my favourite part is this beautiful chain. It's really heavy and just feels so luxurious. So I had a little bit of a tidy up, made sure I had all my pieces, and then I was ready to start painting. So I'm starting with the white Angelus leather paint. This is my own, but when you buy the kit it does include the paint, I believe, so I wouldn't worry about this. And then I'm using this fabric marker that I found in my mum's kit just to mark out the sketch. I don't think this is needed really, because by the end I was totally doing my own thing, but it helped me kind of get into the swing of it. So I used the black paint to outline some bodies, and then I used the white to do some clouds. The white needed like 3 coats, so I just kept coming back to this during painting the other parts. And then yeah, I'm starting doing the stars and some flowers. I'm not gonna lie, the painting process took so long. Luckily I really enjoy painting, but yeah, it probably took me the whole day I think to do one side, and then I did the rest of the parts the other day. But then again I did like very detailed like little sketches on it, so I think it would be really interesting if someone did like an abstract bag. But yeah, anyway, I've done some more bodies here, and then I'm doing like a leafy design. I love to kind of draw bodies and surround them with flowers and clouds and strawberries, just like really cute little motifs. So yeah, some colours definitely needed more coats than others. So like this neon colour you just saw needed a lot of coats, whereas this kind of magenta pink was pretty much okay on the first coat. So yeah, I'm just writing out be kind to yourself, because that's something I like to remind myself of every day, and then going over the clouds again, probably the 3rd coat. I'm really sorry if this voiceover is really awkward. It's my first time doing a voiceover, and yeah, I just don't know what to say. Just enjoy me painting for a little bit. This was kind of me just finishing off the front of the bag.
How long has it been? Feels like forever, noticing everything. Like the hair on the wall, food on the office table from last week. Parties are gone, weekends are ruined, can't even handle myself. It's been going too long, more than...
So a quick update, I have been painting literally like 5 hours now, and I've only just completed the front flap. So this is the front so far. There's still bits drying. I really like it. It kind of just reminds me of my sketchbook pages, which makes me really happy. So yeah, I am going to try and complete it today because I didn't have loads planned for the other 2. So this is the part that goes under the bag. I'm just going to put some little flowers on this one, and then the back of the bag, which I think is this one, I'm going to do like little Polaroids on. So yeah, I think I'm going to get on with that now. Hello my love, so voiceover Meg is back, and this was just the sketch I did with a fabric pen. I knew this one was going to take so many coats because I was doing like a Polaroid design which had so much white on, and I had to do like 5 coats of this white, but yeah, it ended up being worth it. This was the design for the under flap of the bag, so I dabbed away the fabric marker to make it less opaque and just started painting. So it was this flower that said "You are magic" next to it, and I really enjoyed this because it felt so freeing to just paint. These wiggly leaves were literally so satisfying to paint. So yeah, I'll just leave you with some more video of me painting.
That's fantastic. That's amazing, Meg.
Definitely not where we're being to the pool.
This part was the underneath of the bag, so I just did these long, simple green vines along them. Hello, so it's now the end of the day and I've just finished painting all of the pieces. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you all the pieces I've painted, and then I'm going to assemble them tomorrow instead. I just think I am very tired today, and I'd also just want to make sure everything's dry and I've got a clean workspace. So I'll quickly show you. So this is the front of the bag, very, very colourful. Again, I based this on kind of my sketchbook work. And then as you lift the front up, this is what's under it. So it says "You are strong, you are magic," and we've got a little flower. The back of the bag I based on a Polaroid design. So it's a little Polaroid of a bum and a boob, and it's got little flowers around it. And then the final part, which is the like underneath of the bag, is this. So it has the little flowers, and then as you'll see them like that at the side of the bag. So yeah, I'm going to clean up all my workspace now, make sure everything's ready to go tomorrow, and yeah, we'll get sewing tomorrow. I'll see you later. I just wanted to show you a quick overview of the bag. So this is all the pieces. I love how they all look together and how I've kind of like made the stars go across all of the components. I also did the like little tabs with this checkerboard pattern, which I really loved. I love the texture of Angelus paint. It almost leaves this like satiny finish, and it doesn't look too different to the leather at all. And in my experience, it's always held up really well. I've painted shoes with this in the past and they've always been fine. So yeah, I definitely recommend Angelus leather paint if you're gonna paint any leather or shoes or old bags. Hello, so it's the next day and everything is dry and ready to put together. I've inserted some close-up clips of what I painted yesterday, and so you can see my designs. So Love and Salvage actually have a video tutorial on their blog which tells you all about how to put the kit together. So I'm going to film myself putting it together, and then I'll be watching that in the background as well to make sure I'm doing it right. But yeah, apparently all you need is scissors and a ruler, and then you get like provided with this card, and it has a needle and thread and all of the screws to go together. So yeah, hopefully it will be a pretty easy process.
Fourth hole on the front and on the gusset, and I'm going to do a running stitch up to the top, so just in and out again. Really simple.
Voiceover Meg again here, but yeah, I just sped this up super quick because all I was doing was like a running stitch all the way around the bag, and then I did the same for the back of the bag. It was actually surprisingly simple. Like, I am not a sewer or like a 3D kind of artist or anything, so I normally really struggle with stuff like this, but yeah, they made it really simple. When you get access to the video of how to put it all together, it explains it so well. So yeah, I highly recommend watching that if you get the kit. But yeah, I just sewed it all together and that was all. Here's some footage of me doing the other side of the bag. Again, it was just so simple and quick and easy to do. This is what you're left with when you've stitched both sides, so you can really see it coming together and it gets so exciting. Now I just had to sew the flap on. So this was definitely the hardest part, but it was still okay. The tutorial made it really easy, and I did this like cross design. Yeah, and then you get these, are they called press studs? I can't remember. But yeah, you like screw them on, and then you use this kind of like flap you've painted to secure the bag. Hello, so it's the next day and my camera ran out of charge, so I didn't get to show you the final bag, but here it is. I've got the chain attached to it and everything is sewn together, which is super exciting. I am now going to insert some footage so you can see better the bag and it all close up. So of course I had to get all dressed up in a cute outfit to show you the bag. So I went outside, it was a nice sunny day, and just did some filming. So this ended up on TikTok and Instagram. But yeah, it looks so cute with my outfit. It's like the perfect size to carry my phone and purse and like a little sketchbook around with me. And yeah, I'm just so happy with it. I hope you love it too. I also added this little close-up so you can see that the paint really becomes like part of the leather and it's not just going to scratch off or anything. Like, it really is made to last. So thank you so much for coming along and watching me make this bag from Love and Salvage. I hope you like it as much as I do. I'm so happy with it. I'll hope to see you on my next video. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye!